You are going to love the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, splash guards, electronic stability control, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.